Hello! What's up? This is my girlfriend.
Miel.
Today we're gonna do something I'm calling the human soundboard, which is something basically, okay, here, I'll just give an example. Car tire squealing out. So basically we're gonna go back and forth throwing out sounds for the other person to try making, and we'll see how accurately we can do that sound, and we'll see how confidently we look making that sound. So let's do it!
Ow, you almost hit me in the face.
All right, sawing wood. Yeah? What is that? You look like you're hawking up a loogie.
I don't know that I know what that sounds like.
That's
You
pretty
do it.
accurate.
You're spitting everywhere. I want you to sound like a record scratch.
I'm confident with that answer. Totally
I
confident.
think it's like...
What?
It sounded different in my head.
It
sounded different in my head.
That sounded like a frog just got stepped in. Oh, it's more of like a... Sounds more like a butthole, like trying to... That sounds a lot more like a fart than I thought it would. You ready? Brushing long hair. Okay. Yeah.
There's no noise.
No, it's...
Are you brushing your hair with a chainsaw?
No. Thick ass hair.
Okay,
Brush.
can't relate, sis. Don't know what that sounds like.
You didn't brush people's hairs?
I was homeschooled. Anthony, that is someone dragging a dead body
No!
or grooming a horse. That is not brushing
It says
lawn.
brushing a girl's hair. Hold on, just trying to...
You ready?
Yeah.
A baby crying. Chin trembling. Are you actually about to cry?
Was that accurate?
Yeah.
A car starting up and revving the engine. What is this sound?
It's the keys. It's the keys. Well, I'm sorry, you have a car without a key.
You sound like a cat is meowing.
No, that's...
Oh, you're right.
That might be a lawnmower.
It sounded like a lawnmower.
That might be a lawnmower.
You look like when you slow down, when you record your face in slow motion, you're like... Sounds like this.
That's like a big truck. I literally like hear a tiny dick.
Wait, there was a little piece at the end. A little... Sorry for all my micro penis fans that are watching this right now.
I want to hear you sound like a cricket chirping. Yeah, I did not come to play.
No, you didn't. God damn it. Wait, no. No! No, that sounds like a squeaky bed spring. Wait. Wait.
Does this help?
I don't know. I don't
Are
know.
you speaking sign language?
No, that sounds like a bird. The human body does not make this sound. Wait.
That's not a noise humans can make.
No. That was impossible.
I feel like I'm gonna turn my throat inside out to do that. Are you screaming?
Maybe. Let's take a moment to break for our sponsor. Today's episode is sponsored by Miel's Amazing Hairstyling. Thank you so much for doing my hair, Miel. Tell everyone where they can go to get their hair done.
I'm good. Thank you so
Okay,
much, though.
well, I retract that ad.
You can just cut it.
So, no. You ready for your next sound?
Yes.
Knuckles cracking.
You're a mean man.
You gave me crickets! You trying to listen to it first? Multiple knuckles cracking. Well,
Can you hear this?
that's a duck.
You try.
Yeah, it sounded like a transformer.
What's it sound like?
This?
Oh,
that's so gross. That is not knuckles cracking. That is like suction cups being pulled off quickly.
Oh, that did sound like that.
That is a fake
That was
Foley noise.
exactly-
You are busted SFX knuckles cracking.
I'm gonna give you an easy one now.
All right.
A noisemaker.
That sounded different in my head. Wait, it's like a. Wait, it's this thing, right? It goes.
It goes.
Yeah, it's like
You sound like a taxi from Roger Rabbit.
Auga!
That's good at that sound.
What does it sound like? Wow, I feel like I'm having a birthday right now. Can you do that again? Surprise!
Okay, am I right?
Why do we associate that sound with some kind of surprise pleasure?
I don't know that there's really pleasure involved at a birthday party. That's a strange noun.
You don't feel pleasure when someone surprises you for your birthday?
I would use joy before I'd use pleasure.
Pleasure is a form of joy. It's all.
This feels.
A square is a rectangle.
Okay.
I have 56K dial-up modem.
From the top? Mm-hmm. Beep boop beep boop 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 boop. I think I might have missed a couple steps. Do you remember it?
I think it's. Welcome. You've got mail.
You used AOL.
I use AOL.
What's it actually sound like? I love this song. I forgot the dial tone.
Yeah. Oh.
This coming up? That was not on mine.
Mine did that.
That last part was not
That
on
was
mine.
just to get internet?
That was just to get the internet.
Just to get internet.
You didn't have that?
He doesn't remember 9/11. He doesn't remember 56K.
I feel so old.
Oh, you have more?
Honk.
Oh, wait. My voice has to go like. Wait.
Why are you doing this
I
with
have
your
to
hand?
push. I have to push on my throat to close it. I can't. My voice won't go that high. There. There. That's my
You
voice.
sound like a dinosaur being born.
I look like a.
With your hands, you're like.
Turtle.
Turtle.
A turtle having sex.
Turtle.
Oh my god.
I had to push on my throat because my throat's too wide. I had to get a little higher pitch.
Your throat's too wide.
I have too wide of a throat. You never accidentally put a whole eggplant in your throat?
What?
Dude!
Don't worry about it.
I think a hawk sounds like.
I can't do that high pitched because my male voice.
I can't do that.
That is a dinosaur.
It's a hawk.
While I open this up, can you tell people to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, turn it on real quick? Can you just tell them to do that real quick?
Okay, let's go through these faster. I'm ready for rapid fire mode.
All right, go.
Machine gun. That was really good, except for that glob of spit that went somewhere.
It went in my shoe. It's okay.
That's violent.
As a male growing up, we were forced to have to do that sound constantly when playing with the other boys. It was just part of being a boy.
Yeah, that was really good. I don't think I can do that.
Thanks. Oh, what were we
I
about
misread the
were we
situation.
about to
I misread
kiss?
the situation.
You thought? What's happening?
Pouring a soda. The fizz was good.
It bubbles up at the end.
I think it's more like. That's someone pissing. I'm sorry. I'm ready for my grand finale blowout fiesta.
Wind chimes.
You try, f***er.
Alright, it's not easy.
Play it. That's the tiniest wind chimes. That sounds like a bike bell.
A metal pipe dropping on cement.
Clang! You truly look like an insane person. You're like swaying your body back and forth.
If you saw me walking around the street doing that, you'd be like, that's a normal, healthy person. Mm-hmm. Okay, cool. Tea kettle.
Getting hot?
Yeah. Oh, that was like the brown note. I felt like I was shitting myself.
Sounds like a tea kettle, right?
Sounds like this.
Oh, there's no air. Okay, that's enough. I think we get it. I think we get it.
That was called tea kettle short. Your final sound, are you ready? Mm-hmm. The Mac startup sound.
Wrong.
What?
I don't remember it.
I think it's more like boom.
I wish you could see your mouth right now.
Wait, watch.
Boom.
Boom. You don't think so? Here's what it sounds like. Boom.
It's like a really majory
It's like,
sound.
but there's a lot of in your throat, so it's like boom, boom,
Is that what you think it sounds like?
boom.
I really hate how much you've touched your throat today.
It's a way to get different sounds out of your throat.
Oh, it helps.
It does help.
Yeah. I think this is the end of the video.
Thank you so much for watching. Click the other videos on the screen to watch Miel and I in other videos. See you later. Bye, guys. Press a like.
Look at my elbow.
All right.
Thank you.
Is that the trick? Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ow! That was so hard!
I felt bones crushing in my hand.
God, why did I do
So
this?
sorry.
I didn't mean to do this video.
I'm so sorry.